Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings, right arrow Photos, and turn on iCloud Photos so originals are queued to the cloud. Once done, verify the status at the bottom. Wait until it shows finished uploading. Make sure you're on reliable Wi-Fi and your phone is charging. Uploads can take hours for big libraries. If iCloud space is insufficient, make a local export to your computer first. These actions guarantee your photos and videos are preserved before any reset happens. Next, produce a complete device backup. You can trigger an iCloud backup in Settings and tap Backup Now. That stores app data, settings, and references to your photos. Alternatively, connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and create an encrypted backup via Finder or iTunes. Encrypted backups keep health and keychain data intact. As a double safety measure, export original photos and videos to your computer using Photos or Image Capture. This ensures you have independent files. Now perform the reset. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content and settings. During setup, sign in with the same Apple ID and restore from your iCloud or Finder backup. After restore, turn on iCloud Photos to begin resyncing originals. Make sure Wi-Fi and power remain connected until media finishes downloading. Troubleshooting tip: if images don't appear, check iCloud, Com, and the recently deleted album. Confirm you're using the same Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.